So I'm going to have to admit I actually did this one backward. I accidentally posted the wrong one first, okay? So generally where you always start is a floor plan, and we started with elevations. So where you get to do this a little bit fun, unique twist, and so the process that I'm actually going to show you right now is actually backwards of how you normally do it, okay? And so I opened up some student work, and it's very good work, and I moved the different views to locations that I think they would be. I don't know myself, it's not my building, but I have these located. So we have, if you notice, I have my north elevation, my south elevation, my west, and my east, okay? And where these become cool and where this becomes powerful is if you align these lines, these far left lines, which I have, and you align these lines, okay, what's able to happen is that you're able to use your elevation views to begin to show where your doors and stuff are at, and the overall perimeter of your building. So if I come in here and I activate my line command, and I draw a line straight down here, okay, and I come back up here. Nope, grabbed the wrong line. Okay. Line, and we come straight up. Okay. I now have the right and left side of my building. Okay. I know nothing about this building, and so that's where this, I find this cool, is we can come over here, we can do the same thing back in this direction. Okay. Damn screen, okay? And now I have the layout of my building. So I now have the perimeter of my building all the way around, okay? So now we can come in here, okay, and I can trim away all of this information that I don't need. Okay, boom, 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 okay? Oh, got one more. Okay. And then I'm also able to come in here and I'm able to offset my walls. And I'm just going to say my walls are at 6 inches. Okay. And I can go, we'll just go 6. 6. Boom. Ah. Got it. Okay. So these aren't drawn to scale. Okay. And that is one thing I'm going to tell you in the future. We want to draw everything to scale. And so I'm going to show you real quick how to do that, okay? So we're going to go units, okay? And that activates our units activity, our units dialog box, where we can change different things. So right now, my length type is decimal, okay? Well, really what I want it to be, because I'm working in an architectural setting, I want it architectural. So now everything I'm going to type is in feet and inches. Okay. So now if I hit OK, what I'm able to do is when I come in here and I offset, my base value, if you notice, okay, and I can't use my mouse, and if I point at the screen, it's not like you can really see it. So is 6 inches. Okay, and that's what the dash marks. So 1 dash is feet, 2 dashes is inches. So right now I'm going to offset it. Okay, at 6 inches. So if I come in there, I click him, okay, and if I click on either side, notice where it puts the line, okay. I'm just going to offset it, and I'm going to come in here, and since I can't type a specific value, I'm just going to come over a little bit, okay, and basically I went one grid line, okay, and I'm offsetting my wall thickness, okay? My wall thickness. Nope. Okay. Okay, and I'm just removing all the extra lines I don't need. Boom, boom. Okay, so now I have my walls all the way around, okay? Walls all the way around. Now I'm going to start here with my north, or my south elevation. And this is giving me information, okay? So I'm not going to worry about what I'm assuming is metal siding. Well, all I'm going to worry about is this door. And that door would be represented by us just drawing a line from here to there, okay? And then we have another line from here, okay, to there, okay? And that would be our door opening. So what I can come in and do, and I can trim away all of these lines that wouldn't exist, okay? So within our building, those lines wouldn't exist. So we have a big opening here, because you have to remember we're located at 3 feet, okay? We're located at 3 feet above the ground, okay? Another thing that we would end up seeing is we kind of have to indicate what kind of door this is, okay? So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna offset just this line a little bit, okay? Boom, boom, okay? And I'm giving the indication that it stops right here. So if I draw another line from this far end, the end of its rail, okay? End of its rail here. Okay. I can trim away a little bit more material. Okay. Nope. And now I have that door drawn. Okay. Now I have that door drawn. So now I have a door, and we probably want to move this door a little bit. Oh. I want to move this door a little bit inward so we can see that it's representing a door. Okay? So, I have this door drawn, okay? All I've done is I've taken these lines and I've drawn it up, okay? And I've opened it up some to indicate that it is a sliding door, okay? And it depends on the type of door. The same thing would be true at the north side, okay? So I need to come in here and I need to draw my lines down off my elevation because everything lines up, okay? Everything lines up in these views. So to draw this one way up here isn't true, okay? So all of these parts have to line up. I can come in, I can trim away what I don't have and what I don't need. Boom, 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 okay? And the other reason why I'm going to draw it completely on the right, okay, I'm going to draw this completely down, is so I can get my door size correct. So I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to draw it straight down to here. Okay. And I'm just going to offset it the same amount. It was a 1/16 of an inch. Okay, remember that. And I can trim away the material I don't need. Okay, and then I can come in and I can move this guy a little bit, and then I can extend that line. Okay, and so now I have my two doors. Okay, that is what you're going to do. Now on this one here, okay, well, one thing I really going to have to reiterate, okay, this is not to scale. We need it to be at scale. So when you come in at the very beginning, you need to set your units, set it to architectural, okay? Inches is fine. But if this wall is to be 24 feet, you need to draw that line at 24 feet, okay? Draw it to the exact size it is. Do not draw it down, okay? We will scale it down once we are done, okay? We scale it down once you are done. You draw it to the exact size. So make sure whatever length these walls are, they are that length when you start, okay? So good luck. Draw the floor plan now, okay? Like I said, it's a little bit backwards, but kind of fun. So go for it, guys.